how to create a split image effect in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the 9 dots in the top right and then scroll down, go to Slides. And then once your Google Slides open up, tap on the presentation where you want to create the split image effect. Then go to insert in the ribbon bar, tap on image and upload from your computer or from the web. Now open up the image and now uh, just adjust it. And once you're done, right click and then duplicate slide. Now what you can do is you can double tap on the image and go to crop image and now drag the black lines and then crop the half. So hit enter. Now place it in the middle and then go to the second slide, again double tap and then go to crop, and here you crop the second half and then just hit enter and go to the middle. So you can do this with many images and create the split image effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.